Namaskar job seekers and welcome back to my channel. In this video I am telling you about different steps of job interview. Job interview is a big and important task. टास्क को सरलता पूर्वक कंप्लीट करने के लिए अवेयरनेस बहुत जरूरी है. Awareness about the process of the job interview makes the task simple and you get success. Job interviews are conducted in 3 major steps. Step 1 is shortlisting of your resume by HR manager. In this video we talk of this step in details. Other steps will be discussed in next video. Now let us come to the subject. Job seekers first submit resume or CV to the HR manager of the employer. HR manager shortlists only 10 resumes or CV from the lot of more than 100 applications and calls these 10 job seekers for interview. If your CV is shortlisted, you get the opportunity of job interview. This means shortlisting of your CV is first most important matter. This is in your hands. यह आपके हाथ में है. जितना इंटरेस्ट के साथ पूरा CV लिखेंगे, उतना ही आप सफलता के नजदीक पहुंचेंगे. Now understand the process of shortlisting the CV or resume. CV or resume means short presentation about yourself. Most of the candidates make small but important mistakes in their own CV or resume. Mostly resumes are incomplete and not read by the candidate himself. Incomplete resume or CV is not shortlisted for interview. CV should speak about you. Incomplete CV or resume means a silent CV. The HR manager goes through the CV and tries to understand the character or the speciality of the applicant. When a matching CV is found, the HR manager shortlists this candidate. First task is write your speaking CV. Speaking CV means on the top of your CV, there should be a brief para about your qualification followed by character means responsibilities you shared with your parents, friends, school, college, relatives and or neighbors. Please write if you took some hands-on experience on any work like organizing a family event and school-college event including sports events. You may have repaired some device at home or your bike or scooter for minor problems. You should mention about debate or speech or essay competition you participated. You mention about some help given to your friend. Next to this please write special skills you learnt, like MS Word or Excel, computer keyboard expertise and fluency with all 10 fingers. These days this is not a special skills, this is a common skills as a substitute of writing skills. AutoCAD, graphics, coding, any course on AI, tele software, and any other skills, training on any other software skills. This may be yoga or dancing or music or photography. Your hobby should be mentioned here. Establish relation of your hobby with the nature of work you applied for. This resume or CV will form your image on the mind of HR manager. जैसे सभ्य इंसान घर से बाहर मुंह धोकर, नीट और क्लीन ड्रेस पहनकर, कंघी करने के बाद ही निकलता है. वैसे ही कॉम्पिटेंट और सीरियस जॉब सीकर किसी जॉब इंटरव्यू में सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए एप्लीकेशन देने के पहले अपनी CV और रिज्यूम को ठीक से पढ़ लेता है, उसकी टाइपिंग मिस्टेक्स करेक्ट कर लेता है. साथ साथ ये भी ध्यान देता है कि CV को प्रॉपर ऑर्डर मींस क्रम में लिखा गया है. CV आपके बारे में उचित अप्रोप्रिएट प्रेजेंटेशन करने के लिए बनाई जाती है. सबसे पहले recruiting HR manager shortlists only those candidates who presented themselves completely and properly. Therefore you should take special care. Make sure you remember these things while writing or creating your resume, or you can save this video for later. Best of luck and thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more valuable videos.